Love is more than a feeling. It's the force that guides us through the wilderness. It binds us, even in the harshest of places. In love, we find our true strength.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another fascinating journey into the past. To the Romantic era, a time when men were elegant, charming, courteous, and cool-headed.
The road ahead is uncertain, but I must press on. Destiny calls.
This is the second updated edition of a video released some time ago, featuring the most beautiful men of the 19th and early 20th centuries. I hope you will appreciate the charm and elegance of these remarkable men. Enjoy the video.
It's beautiful out here, isn't it? The autumn light is just perfect. It makes you appreciate the little things. Truly peaceful. I could sit here forever with you.
Your love makes every moment magical.
You are my everything.
And you are mine, my love.
Forever. Fine evening for a promenade. Good day to you, sir.
And to you, sir.
The city stirs with life.
I realize this may come as a surprise, but I find myself completely captivated by you.
Let me share with you a truth I have learned. In the quiet moments of reflection, we find our true strength. Perseverance is the foundation of all great achievements. Ah, my dear, you have caught me in a moment of reflection. But now that you are here, let us make the most of it. Come, share a thought with me and let us converse. Good evening, my lady.
Good evening. A pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is all mine.
You look very handsome tonight.
And you are breathtaking. Welcome, everyone. I have something special to show you. It's this bloody bow tie. What do you think? It's perfect for a dramatic entrance, don't you agree? Thanks for watching. The hour is late, and I must go. Tomorrow, I march with my brothers. Mother, I pray I see you again. Farewell. Good day. It's a pleasure to have this moment. Time moves on, but memories remain. Cherish them, for they define us. Thank you for listening. The time has come for me to set forth. I am filled with both excitement and a touch of fear. Whatever lies ahead, I will face it with courage. My love, I need to tell you something. I've fallen deeply in love with you. You make my life complete. I want us to be together forever. Why am I here?
This number isn't me. I need to get out.
The paths we choose shape our destiny. Each step reveals its true nature. I stand at the crossroads, resolute. No path is without consequence. My dearest, you are so beautiful.
And you, my love, are so handsome.
I am the luckiest man in the world.
And I the luckiest woman.
My dearest, I find I must be honest with you. My heart belongs entirely to you.
The years have a way of slipping through our fingers. Memories are all we have to hold on to. They shape who we are. Good evening.
And to you, sir.
May I have the pleasure of this dance?
It would be my delight.
I must consider this carefully. The path ahead is fraught with uncertainty, but I shall not falter. Gentlemen, a fine day for a walk. Indeed. The air is invigorating. Shall we proceed to the club? An excellent suggestion.
Careful now, old boy. Watch and learn. Jolly good shot. Pure skill, gentlemen. Your go then.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Take care and have a wonderful day.